ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ವೃತ್ತಿಗೆ ಕಾಲಿಟ್ಟ ಬಳಿಕ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜ್ಞಾನವಂತರಾಗ್ತೇವೆ, ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ ವೃದ್ಧಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಎಂಬುದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗ್ತದೆಯೋ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಸಾಕಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ ಪೋಷಕರನ್ನ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀಡಿದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೂ ಮರೆಯಬಾರದು ಎಂದು ಕ್ಷೇಮ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ತಜ್ಞೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಜಯ್ ಶೆಣೈ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯಪಟ್ಟರು. ದೇರ್ಲಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಕೆಎಸ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಚಾರಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಕೆಎಸ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಎಬಿಎಸ್ ಎಂಡಿಎಸ್ನ ಆವಿಷ್ಕಾರ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ನಡೆದಂತಹ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಸಿ ರಾಯ್ ಜನ್ಮದಿನದ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ನಡೆದ ವೈದ್ಯರ ದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು.
As part of the Doctors' Day celebration, I thank the organization and the management for considering me worthy of this felicitation. As mentioned, I am sure you must have heard about Dr. B.C. Roy. He is a politician and a doctor. He had a degree in general medicine. He had a degree in surgery. He was also the Chief Minister of Bengal. His commitment to his patients, especially the poor patients, remains unmatched to this day. I have heard that he used to finish all his duties, government duties as Chief Minister and run a clinic for poor patients. Whatever thy hands findeth to do it with thy might. This was the line which he had read during his medical days, and it was etched in his mind forever. So let us salute Dr. B.C. Roy today and see that we follow at least, if not, some of his ideals. Teaching hundreds of UG and PG students was very rewarding. But more than that is to see them succeed. Most of my students are at the top of their professions and they have spread all over the globe. So it makes us very happy and fulfilled to see that our students are doing so well and they always remember you. Whenever you meet them very often, they say, I am so and so batch madam, you were my teacher. So like that, so you feel really happy when you see them coming and talking to you. Do not forget your parents, your teachers and your institution. Your parents have sacrificed so much and it's your right to look after them. It's your duty to look after them. Your teachers have molded you into doctors. Do not disrespect them. I've heard people, it's very painful. I've heard people talking calling teachers names, which is not right for a medical person. Don't forget your institution, because without this institution you are nowhere. Be organized. Have time management. That's one of the biggest problems among interns and postgraduates. Look after yourself. Look after your physical and mental health. Find activities outside of medicine, like take up some hobby or go and do some sports. So take your mind off the whatever pressure of medicine. But remember, seek help whenever you need. So this is a very important thing. We hear a lot of things about pressure getting to all the postgraduates because of the work, the kind of work we do as medical students and postgraduates.
ಇನ್ನು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆ ವಹಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸಹಕುಲಾಧಿಪತಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಎಂ ಶಾಂತಾರಾಮ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯಾ ದೇಶದ ಖ್ಯಾತ ವೈದ್ಯರ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವೈದ್ಯರ ದಿನ ಆಚರಿಸಲ್ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು, ಭಾರತದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಜುಲೈ 1ರಂದು ವೈದ್ಯರ ದಿನ ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಸಿ ರಾಯ್ ಜನ್ಮದಿನವಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಳಗಿದವರು. ವೈದ್ಯರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾಗಬಹುದು ಎಂಬುದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ಸಾಧಕ ಎಂದರು.
For the younger generation, you may be intrigued to know Dr. B.C. Roy's birthday is celebrated as the Doctors' Day all over the country today. Dr. B.C. Roy, Vishen Chandra Roy was a very unique person. Unique in so many ways. Why I say this is, he is an example. He is a mentor for you youngsters. Born in a small village, what is in Bangladesh today, he came up to the Calcutta Medical College, the first medical college in the country. Went to United Kingdom and passed his FRCS and MRCP both in just 3 years' time, which was the record at that time. The examiners, I was told, could not believe it. This young man knew much more than the examiners knew. And they said you should stay back in United Kingdom. John Kennedy, when he was the President of United States of America, when B.C. Roy visited United States, called him and said, you will have to examine my back. Many of you may not know, John Kennedy had a very bad backache. And that was the tribute of Dr. B.C. Roy. He was born on 1st of July, 1948, and he died in 1928, 1st of July. Very few people are born and they die on the same day. After his fellowship and membership exams, he came down to Calcutta, joined Mahatma Gandhi on struggle for independence. How many doctors have participated in the independence struggle? He was an example. He started practice, and after the independence, he was the first Chief Minister of Bengal. That was from 1948 to 1962 when he died. And he was the longest Chief Minister of any state. He was the only doctor who was the Chief Minister except the present Chief Minister of, I think, Tripura. No other doctor has become a Chief Minister of a state in our country. But he showed what a doctor could be as a Chief Minister.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿರಿಯ ಕುಟುಂಬ ವೈದ್ಯರುಗಳಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂ ನೀಲಯ್ಯ ಗಂಜಿಮಠ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಐತಾಲ್ ಹೆಬ್ರಿ, ಸಾಗರದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಕೆ ಭಾಗವತ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಕ್ಷೇಮ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ತಜ್ಞೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಜಯ್ ಶೆನೈ ಅವರನ್ನ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಉಪಕುಲಪತಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಎಂಎಸ್ ಮೂಡಿತ್ತಾಯ, ಕುಲಸಚಿವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹರ್ಷ ಆಲಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹಾಗೂ ವೈಸ್ ಡೀನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುಕನ್ಯಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಕ್ಷೇಮ ಡೀನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಂದೀಪ್ ರೈ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದ್ರು. ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಅಧೀಕ್ಷಕಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುಮಲತಾ ಆರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ತಜ್ಞ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುಮಂತ್ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಪಾಡಿ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಗಿರಿಧರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀಚರಿತ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಪತ್ರ ವಾಚಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಎಲುಬು ಹಾಗೂ ಮೂಳೆ ರೋಗ ತಜ್ಞ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ನಿರೂಪಿಸಿದ್ರು.